Hi, good afternoon. So this weekend's project, so today's Friday, it's about 3:30. Should last today, tomorrow, then hopefully Sunday we'll give it back. But this is Jackson's Evo 8. So it's gorgeous blue color. We're going to do a pretty involved treatment. So it'll be a two-stage paint correction. First stage being the heavy cut compound, and then we'll refine that with a medium or a fine cut polish. And we're going for 90+% clarity. All right, so this will be our walk around of the current paint condition as it was given to me. So at this point the car is clean and it's ready for compounding. And if we look at the scan grip, all right, we're just looking at the bulb. So all the swirls and scratches around the bulb are, just from years of, honestly, just abuse. So because we're doing a two-stage correction, we're going for 90+%. But honestly, this is pretty indicative of what the whole car looks like. It's, it's in, I don't know. I mean, honestly, it's in pretty rough shape. We'll work on that. Now, when Jackson came to do the initial discussion on the car, we measured the paint, so the depth was good. We believe that the back driver's side quarter panel was repainted. It was reading a lot thicker. Obviously, the scratches are still persistent, so it could have been old body work. I can't tell yet, but the paint match looks pretty good. It's just pretty heavily marred. The whole car's this way. Now, there are some trouble spots we're gonna stay away from. Inside of the wing being one, there's nothing I can do for that. The clear coat's just gone. So we're gonna stay away from that. Same thing with the kind of edge of the spoiler. So if you see it there, right, the clear coat's just, it's starting to break loose. So we're gonna take it really easy on those areas. We don't wanna polish that. There's no point in speeding up the decay. This is pretty indicative of what the whole car looks like. So I think at this point, there's nothing else to show. It's all the same. We'll do a test panel and we'll see. Just do a quick 50-50. Okay, so the finished product here. All right, so this is our 3-year Fine Lab ceramic coating, 3-step heavy correction. The blue looks so much better. We also I restored these headlights 3 weeks ago. It was raining that day, and unfortunately water started to seep behind one of the edges. So I removed the film, put PPF on it, 3M, and I redid that last night. So we got the scan grip over here. It's a real test of the paint. So if we look at the scan grip, there we go. All right, much clearer. Right, the preceding video will show the before, but it just looks a lot better. And then same thing on the back end. So we debadged the trunk. All right, trunk looks great. He's gonna have to replace the Evo stickers just because those were etching the paint. But polish the taillights, the deck lid. Same thing on this side. Right. We polished the B pillars, all the surrounding. Right. We did all these B pillars. These look a lot better. Top of the roof. We did wet sand a couple small areas, 2000 grit. There were just some deeper scratches there. But overall, I think this turned out really well. So we ceramic coated all the plastic. So that's what that, helped restore some of the black in his front lip, as well as the hood cooler. That's it. Thanks for watching.